Go High Level Wizard here, and now I'm going to be going in depth on onboarding clients into Go High Level, okay? Complete A to Z tutorial. Before we jump in though, please go right down below, smash the subscribe button, and if you have any questions at all, drop a comment down below or message me for free on Facebook. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to go over like a checklist, and you're going to go right alongside me, and we're just going to check every one of these off of the list so we can onboard your clients smoothly and efficiently. So step number one in onboarding is setting up your clients' sub accounts. Let's go do it. So you come right in here, okay, agency dashboard, go to sub accounts, and then you're going to click create sub account. Okay, so we're just going to click that. And you're going to be brought to a list of options. So SaaS account is if you have the $497 plan on high level. If not, you will just have a regular account. But what this is going to do is, and this is what a snapshot really is, it's just a complete business overall. It's a sub account inside of one basically duplicatable link. Okay, so you can pick what you want. A finance snapshot, a marketing agency snapshot, really whatever you want. So for the sake of this video, we're just going to go through blank, but whatever niche your client is, you can just pick one of these or do a custom one. But for the sake of this, we're just going to do a blank one. So it'll bring you to a map like this. You can either type in your business right here and it should pop up and you'll click it and it'll just fill out all the info. Or if you don't have that and they're not on there yet, you just click add account manually. So again, we're going to be using all of the regular business info. I show people how to create forms where you can send it to clients and they'll just fill all of this out. But most of the time, it'll be pretty easy to go online and find all of their info. It's just basic business info. If you cannot, though, you're going to have to ask them or send them that form. But honestly, most of the time, you can just go right in and find it online. So we're just going to fill this stuff out. So first name, we will just do Declan. Okay, and this is a test, so I'm just going through this. You're going to plug in the last name, O'Reilly. Okay, email address, we'll do Declan@gmail.com. So put in the first name of the business owner, the last name of the business owner, then the email address of the business, and then put in business name. We'll just do Declan's Biz. And again, I'm just putting this for the sake of the video. Now you're going to put in the street address. So we'll do 4532 White Hart Lane. Okay, then you're going to put the city in. Then you're going to put the country in. So whatever country you are in, you're just going to pick that very fast. Okay, let's go. States. Okay, then you're going to click whatever business niche it is in. Okay, so for the sake of the video, I'm just breezing through this, but we'll just do abrasive supplier. But you put whatever niche is in there, obviously. Then you're just going to put the state. So we're going to do Virginia. We'll do 22356. Okay, phone number. And guys, remember, just follow along right with me. You're just going to plug all of this info in just like this. I mean, it's so straightforward. 789-6754. Okay, and then we're going to put the website. If you don't have a website already, just skip that and then put the time zone. And guys, this is going to be all the info on the sub account. So we're just going to pick EST. We'll just do that. And then you're just going to click save. This is going to create the sub account, which we build out their business in. Now you'll be brought to a page that looks just like this. Now you're going to click switch to sub account. And again, guys, very simply, if that was confusing at all, go back, restart the video, and just rewatch and plug in all the basic business info. Again, that is how you create their sub account. Okay, now that we've created their sub account, we're going to move on to the other steps. But I want to make this really clear. If you were just offering one service, a website, an automation, just one thing, okay, like you see right here, one-off services, just go and build out the asset immediately. Okay, so you don't got to go through these next steps if you're just doing one little thing. Now, I always suggest that you do offer more than that, but some of you guys are literally just solving one little problem. You don't need to go through all these other next steps, which is plugging in and filling out the Launchpad and all this stuff. So if you're just building a website, come into the dashboard, go to sites, and build out the website. If you're just building out an automation, go to automations and just build the automation. So again, one-off services, just immediately go and set that up, and the time to upsell other services will come later. But now we're going to move on to step number 2, which is Launchpad Connect, which is incredibly important for immediately getting them kickstarted and saving a lot of time. Let's jump right in. Okay, so you're just going to come right up to Launchpad, then you'll be brought to a list of stuff right here. So right here, number 1 is mobile app is now installed and having that. This already got automatically connected, but it will have send link, and you're going to send it to the user that you want to get this started with. It's really important that you immediately get this set up so they can get on the app lead connector. It'll literally just have click link, and then you're good to go. And again, guys, you can do this live with them. You can take your client and do this on a screen share on their computer so they can set all of this up. Or when they just get access, they can set it up, or they give you the info and you set it up. Okay, but I do recommend getting on an onboarding call if you can and just quickly getting all the stuff set up. And then next is connecting Google Business Profile. You'll just click connect, and then it'll go to the Gmail you need. Okay, because I'm not actually going to connect anything because I don't need this account. But it'll literally just say connect, and you're going to pick the Google Business Profile account you want. And again, if you can do this on their computer live, much better. After the Google Business Profile is connected, you're immediately going to move down to Facebook. Facebook is important because it is also Instagram. So what you're going to want to do, and remember, you cannot connect a profile, you can only connect a page. So if they want a page, you can easily create it in your Facebook and then just link it yourself. So just make sure you understand the difference between a page and a profile. But you'll come right in here, you'll click connect, it'll prompt into the account, and then you're just going to want to immediately connect. And again, if your client doesn't want to hop on a call and they don't know how to connect or create a Facebook page, but they want to, go to ChatGPT and come up with simplest instructions on how to give someone access to a page. That way, it's very simple and they don't get confused. So then we have website chat widget. So the thing about this is you can have this if you want. AI chatbots are coming in so hard and so clutch. I really don't use this very much anymore. So if someone really wants it, you can connect it. You just click connect and set it up on the website. But again, I'm not a big fan of it. And then you have a couple other options. So some of these you're not going to need to do, like WhatsApp. If you don't have WhatsApp, your clients don't have WhatsApp, skip this. Stripe, they're going to need a Stripe account to plug in. Okay, now you can integrate Square, PayPal, all these other third-party platforms to get into HighLevel, but I highly recommend using Stripe. It connects the easiest with GoHighLevel, and it's very streamlined. So make sure they have a Stripe account, and then they go through and you just connect their Stripe account. I'm telling you, it'll make everything way easier, and they have the all-in-one system. Yext, on the other hand, you're probably not going to need unless you're doing local SEO. And again, I have full videos on all of this. It's part of reputation management. It builds citations, which are basically little mini website directory listings that point back to your website name, address, and phone number. They're great for SEO, but you probably won't need that right off the bat. And then if they are doing stuff with WordPress, you can connect that too. But again, if you're just setting them up, you're not going to need to do this. Remember, these three options, really you can skip over. Last but not least, you have quick add or more team members. So I have full videos on how to add users if you're kind of confused on that. A user is basically an admin. It doesn't have to be an admin, but a user, employee, salesperson of the sub account. Okay. And if you come right down in here and you scroll right down to my staff, this is another place to add them. And you very simply, you just add employees. But what's cool about the Launchpad is you can very easily send it to them. So what I would recommend is if it's the owner or the business person you're going to work with, immediately plug in their email. Okay. Let's do Declan at gmail.com, whatever it is. Okay. And then you're going to send invite. Okay. And you can just do a little comma after, it'll space it, but then you just click send invite, and any of their users plug it in right here. Now this will give them admin access, which is totally fine. Again, I have a full video on this if you're a little confused on admin versus user employee, but this will send them immediate access. And I really recommend you do this right off the bat. This will save you time and headache because so many people are like, they don't have access to the account, they don't have the app. Well, if you follow this Launchpad tutorial like I'm teaching, they'll have access to the app and they'll have access to their GoHighLevel account. And this is a fast way to immediately have them access. And when you click send invite, it will send an invite to their email. Okay? They can open it up, whatever you plugged in, they can log in, create their password, and then they're done. So that's literally the entire Launchpad right there. You can breeze through this, guys. Again, I actually recommend doing Zoom calls with your clients. If you have a client that you're onboarding, this is a little pro tip, that is going to stay for a while and they have money and you really want to build some stuff out, I highly recommend you come in this the first time and do this right so you don't have to worry about this again. One last note on the Launchpad, and this is another pro tip. It is a great time to upsell or give away any services to fill in the gap. So if you're going through and you're like, hey, do you have a website? And they're like, no, I don't. It's a perfect way to gauge what they have and what they don't have. Because a lot of the time, they need other stuff. They need social media. They need automations. They need all of these things. But, you're going to have trouble giving it to them if you don't know if they need it. You see what I'm saying? So immediately as you're going through that Launchpad I just went through and you're on Zoom or you're talking to them, get a gauge of what they have and what they don't have. Where are their contracts hosted? Is it DocuSign, PandaDoc? Where are their contacts? Do they use automations? Do they have a phone number? You go through the list of all these things and you immediately know, and you basically have a cheat sheet of, I can sell them on this, I can sell them that, I can give this away for free to build some reciprocity and make them like me more. And immediately gives you more sales power, okay? Because you'll know everything. And again, cheat sheet. So make sure if you're going through, they don't have a website, all this stuff, you can offer it for free, or you can basically just get them upsold right there. Okay, now that we are done with Launchpad and you have that connected, this is another one that I highly recommend you do if you are going to really take over an account and go a long way with people. Again, remember, one-off accounts where it's just small and you don't think it's going to be big, you can just leave it as is. But if you're really taking over and you have big plans, I highly recommend you go and you connect contacts. That is this bad boy right here, okay? Contacts are the lifeblood of GoHighLevel. Literally, if you have a good list in HighLevel, you can work so many things. And I have a full video coming out on really how to make sure businesses never leave you. And I will make sure I notify you on that because it is so important so you have clients paying you forever. But I'm telling you right now, if you're going long with clients and you really have, I want to really take this far, you have to get their list. It is critical. And I'm going to show you why right now. So as you see right here, contacts are the lifeblood of GHL account, okay? This is just a fraction of the things you can immediately add into your arsenal and immediately just start helping them. Again, HighLevel without contacts is pretty useless. Now you can have stuff where it's bringing contacts in so you can create a list. And again, I have full videos on all of this stuff, which really helps. You do want to have that, functionality where, when a new user comes in, it puts them as a contact. But a lot of the time, businesses already have a list because if they're selling people, they have to have some sort of list in a payment processor, which you can get access to very easily. And again, I have a video on contacts. If you're wondering how to get lists, go check that out on my channel. But these are some of the big things you can immediately do with contacts. So immediately you can do pipelines. That's this right here, opportunities. This is a pipeline of all your leads, all of your contacts, opportunities where you can literally work them and sell a ton of people. And you can only really do this if you have contacts. Then you have automations. You can work gold with automations. That's this right here. Database reactivation campaigns, reputation management, booked confirmation calls, literally everything. You can run this right through automations when you have a list immediately. You can come right into contacts, can select everybody, select all, and then just add them to an automation. Guys, database reactivation, all these amazing stuff. It's added so easily when you have a list. It is absolute money. You then immediately get access to email marketing and SMS marketing, so you can absolutely work your list. This goes hand in hand with automations. Guys, absolute recurring cash right here. That's coming right in here, selecting your contacts, hitting them with an SMS or an email, or adding them an automation that sends them an SMS or email. But immediately, you now can contact everyone in the list. Guys, it's all the leads they could possibly want. This right here, reputation management, is huge. You can start collecting tons of reviews from a list immediately. Guys, this will boost your local SEO overnight. And that is this right here. And guys, I know how much you guys all love reputation management. It has a ton of money in it. It's an absolute killer for service-based businesses. Then you have courses and communities, where you immediately can build out courses, communities, and invite all the people in your list and build a thriving community or a course, whether that be a training course or something to sell people on. Again, you just have all of these contacts, which is literally going to make your life so much easier once you have them. See this so much. People wonder what to do with HighLevel. Well, if you get a contacts list, dude, your job is there. It's ready. It's made. You can go to town on your clients once you have it. But so many people are like, what do I do? What do I do? Get a list, okay? And you'll get yourself some money. And legitimately so many other things. Like I could go on forever about all of the other things you can do. But guys, again, make sure you get a contacts list. So I have a full video on contacts that goes in depth on how to do all this. So go check that out on my channel. But once you get a list, okay, that email list, you can just come right into import contacts, click this, follow the instructions, and then you have your email list. And from there, you can build out literally everything. And again, I have this video coming, guys, that is going to blow your mind. It's how to keep clients paying you forever. And this is a big part of it. Okay, so now that you've set up their sub account, you basically got all of their socials and everything, Stripe connected, you got their contacts ready, you're ready to build out your assets. So again, depending on what you're doing, it may be, you're just building a website. It may be, you're just building a calendar, but whatever, deal you have done, now it's time to build out all the stuff, okay? Like all the stuff, websites, calendars, all of that. So that's coming in here, okay? If they have all your social media, making sure the conversations tab is ready to go, okay? Plugging in calendars, building out calendars, making sure their contacts there, building out the pipelines if they have them, payments, making sure they have contracts in place, okay? Payment, quick payment links, marketing, making sure you have some social media campaigns ready, automations, immediately going in and digging in, setting all that up, sites and funnels, making sure you're building their websites, their funnels. If they have a course, add that, adding all their media storage so you have all their brand info in one place, reputation management, getting ready to get them some reviews and making that better, and then reporting will come as is. And then down here, you can add AI chatbots, voice agents, and all this other stuff. Again, guys, the reason I breeze through all that is I have videos on every single one of these tabs. So I highly recommend you go into my channel if you're a newbie or even if you're a little advanced, because we need to be reminded more than we need to be taught. And you need to go right in and you need to watch all of those videos. Because the whole point about high level is the more you know it, the more money you can make. I'm literally telling you, it's such a direct stat. When you know where everything's at, it's way easier. So guys, again, I highly recommend you go in and you watch my videos on all of this so you know how to set it up. So that's it in a nutshell, guys. You now know how to do onboarding. So once you build out the assets, you're done. Your clients are onboarded. They're ready to go. And then with time, you can upsell them. But again, guys, we're going to go through a quick recap so you know 100% what to do. And again, if anything was confusing, go back and watch the video again. So step number 1, once you get your client, set up their sub account, just like I did in the video. Number 2, connect all of their socials through the Launchpad, their Stripe, their users, everything via Launchpad so you can move quickly and efficiently. Number 3, get their list at all costs. And again, guys, if you are doing, just a one-off thing, you can stop right here where I have the line. But then last but not least, build out all the assets and then you're done. Your clients are onboarded and then you can go to work and start earning your paycheck. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that onboarding. I know that was really intense. I went really fast. I wanted to just pack as much value in as possible. But again, proper onboarding processes are key to keeping clients long-term. So make sure you get this dialed in perfectly. Again, guys, if you are interested in learning Go High Level, I have a 30-day free trial link down below. Not a 14-day, a 30-day free trial link down below. I highly recommend you go try it out. You get tested. I will help you for free. You can just let me know in the comments if you signed up for it. Then have a partnership opportunity for you if you do well with that, where I will come in, I will really show you and help you set this stuff up. I will show you how to build out your Go High Level. I will show you how to sell your Go High Level and show you how to become a wizard like me with the robes. Okay, you won't get the robes, but you'll become really proficient at high level so you can actually make money with this. There's a lot of people online right now using high level that make $0 and help 0 people. We are going to change that so you can make many dollars and help many people. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, questions, drop them down below. Message me for free on Facebook too and sign up for that free trial. Guys, thank you. Go High Level Wizard out.